I think she's ready, boys. May I present to you one of mankind's most ingenious inventions, the battery adapter. Now, you may be wondering why I'm holding up this basically ballistic mask for a 22. Yes, this is airsoft rated, by the way. Later video. If you guys haven't heard, battery adapters for airsoft have been out, but there's either one of two problems. One, the cabling between the two different terminal connectors is either so long that it won't fit in your gun, and or their RC polarity. Yeah, airsoft has a different polarity, mind you. I killed a Crytek making this video. Let's be straight here. I killed a Crytek because I didn't know airsoft and RC run different polarities. So, I'm going to make this thing now. Anything you buy relating to batteries and airsoft and they're an adapter, make sure they're meant for airsoft, or you could end up with a dead Crytek. Thank God, Evike has a 45-day warranty and they covered me. So, whew. But today I found this little guy on eBay. Like I said, I purchased this one before, but it was for RC polarity and I killed a Crytek. But this is the airsoft version. Look at that. Yeah, that's a battery adapter. And it is the tiniest one in the world, most likely, because of how it's configured. So, to demonstrate, we got a Crytek. Watch me just kill this Crytek right on camera. But all you do is you plug it in. If it's facing the right way. Plugs in. Now you have a Dean's adapter. T-plug adapter. So I'm gonna pop this in. Now please note this is an 11.1 LiPo. I'm not sure the C rating on it or whatnot, but it's a Tenergy 11.1. Here you go if you want to take a look. It's not labeled, but eBay 20 bucks. So to show it works, yes, yeah, just a side note, there's a new motor in this, and it's not the standard 30K motor. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this motor out. But that's the basic premise of the adapter. It's just a smaller, compact version of what's already out on the market. And if you're looking to save space in your gun, but you need an adapter, take a look at these. I bought two of them for like $6 on eBay. I'll try and leave a link down in the description for this, but it's more of price checking on your end. But definitely say if you are in need of a small, compact battery adapter, check out this little option. Anyway, this has been Apex. Peace.